Type this one into your calculator. What do you get?
Negative 75.
Negative 75. So first of all, what's really good is I'm noticing if you're getting these numbers, you're learning how to use a calculator, which is important. Because most of the time in real life you have calculations and you have a calculator. So it's perfect that you're able to use that, but you need to know. Now, what would we do first? Well, we look in the bracket, it's just holding a number. So after brackets is exponents. If you did the negative 5 squared, what do you get?
Oh, I wasn't negative 25.
Close.
Oh, 25.
Positive 25.
Negative.
Because a negative times a negative is positive.
Oh, okay.
So it's
I mean, if you wrote this out in expanded form, I'll just do it tiny right here above it, right? Repeated multiplication means that that's negative 5 times negative 5. Yeah.
Negative 5
This would be
squared
like,
means
the exponent would be 3, would it still be like,
Positive?
yeah,
If the exponent was 3, there'd be like another negative here, right?
yeah.
And that would make it a negative times a negative times a negative.
now, if you're not
That would
sure,
be like
It
negative.
would still be negative. If it was 4, it'd be positive. 5 would be
So
negative.
if
6.
even if it would be positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah,
And then here, remember when things are beside each other with brackets, it means that there's like a hidden little multiplication sign there. That makes negative 75.
put it in brackets.
Okay, next one.
This 2 goes to the negative 5. So
Wait,
because
what's
it's
it?
in bracket, it's negative 5.
Wait, which one is J?
And negative
J, we're doing J next. This one's going to be interesting when we do it by hand. This one's really going to test your order of operation skills.
Wait, let me figure it out.
Well, I want you to type it into your calculator first. I didn't show you any order operation, so it'll be on your test, yes, but not
Oh,
the
no.
quiz. Just has simple stuff.
we type it?
J, we're on J. The 4 squared minus 8 divided by 2 plus bracket negative 3 squared bracket.
Answer. La respuesta es 3 si no me equivoco.
13? No.
3.
3? Yes.
3?
Yeah.
3. Did you get 3? So do we have brackets?
Yeah.
Is there something in the brackets to do?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to rewrite as you get better at these, sometimes you can do more things at once when you know a couple of shortcuts and stuff, but I'm just going to do it in order.
Trickier.
What happens when you do negative 3 squared? Well, there's an exponent first. You'd have to do 3 times 3 first, which is 9, and then there's still a negative out front after. That's negative 9, not positive 9.
Why do you keep the negative?
Why do we keep the negative? Because when it's written, this means negative times negative. This says the 2 is only touching the 3.
That's what I was trying to just explain. But he is showing it very well right there.
So there, I put a big blue box around the 3 squared. That gets done first. That's 3 times 3. That's 9. And then there's still a negative out in front. That's why it's still negative 9. If it was a negative 3 in brackets squared, that would mean negative 3 times negative 3. That would be positive 9. So it's like little details like this. Again, it's good. You've got your calculator telling you the right answer first. This is a small difference here.
Wait, Mr. Jr.
Mm-hmm.
If like the exponent is outside the brackets, would it be positive?
It would be positive. So just like I had here a second ago, this one is equal to positive 9. This one is equal to negative 9. Because order of operations say you do the exponent first, and in the second one, the exponent only touches the 3. It doesn't touch the negative. So you have to do the 3 times 3 first and get 9, and then put a negative in front afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to erase that again. And next, now the brackets is just holding a number. Order of operations, do we have an exponent? Yes, we could do this 16.
Notice how he's only doing one thing and then rewriting everything else.
We always want the previous thing to equal the next thing. Okay, now I've done the exponent.
Una pregunta, ¿y por qué el 4 se transforma en 16 si se supone que...
Because 4 squared significa 4 por 4.
Ah,
Uh-oh. Peter's slow today. Next, order of operations. What do we do next? In BEDMAS?
Divide.
Dividing. So we have -8 divided by 2. It's going to be -4.
Again, easy to forget the sign, but he included that negative. Don't forget.
And now adding and subtracting you can just do from left to right.
16 menos 4 es igual a 2.
You can do this. This will be 12. This will be 12 plus a -9. Adding a negative is like subtracting. And 12 minus 9 is 3. Kind of nice that you can type it all in your calculator at once and get the answer. That was a lot of work on that one.
Well, and on the
Ooh, check out the next one.
wait,
Yo
K?
sé, 562.
Wait, are we
See,
doing K
I'm
now?
going to type it in. What's that?
Are we doing K now?
Yeah, we're doing K now.
Revise.
I got error when I typed it in.
Uh-oh, did you use the wrong negative sign?
Yep.
If you, on calculators, they're fussy about subtraction signs and negatives. So just, I'm going to point to these blue ones and I'm going to put an N above those. Those should be negative signs on your calculator. And I'm going to point to this one in purple and put an S. That would be a subtract sign on your calculator. If you put a subtract sign when you want a negative sign, your calculator will give you an error. So there's a difference in math with an, this is where sometimes math gets a little bit confusing because they're using the same symbol and they're kind of interchangeable as far as understanding, but for the calculator needs to know things a little bit differently. So, did you get 562?
Yeah.
Order of operations. Do we have brackets?
Yeah.
Yes. Do we have stuff inside of those brackets?
Wait, when do we start with wait, never mind. Then we start with 15 negative 15 minus 4, right?
So in this
4.
set of brackets, we have stuff to do, but in this set you have lots of stuff to do. So what would you do first in the brackets?
4 times 4.
You would do 4 times 4 and get 16 there. We have another set of brackets here. Can you do anything in that bracket? Yeah. What's 2 plus 3?
Like 5.
5. Okay. Do we still have stuff in brackets? Yes, there's still more to do in this bracket. Negative 15 minus 16 is negative 31. That bracket is just holding something. Okay. What is next? BEDMAS. Now my brackets are just holding numbers.
Plus 4. Wait, wouldn't it be 31?
Maybe multiply. Oh no, we add.
We would have to do the exponent, right? So I'll rewrite this. And 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Okay, we got rid of the exponents. Next.
Times?
Yeah, times. We have times in 2 places. We have times in here and times in there, right?
Which one would you do first?
You can do both of them. This one times this one.
Se suma.
And add, and this one times this one. No, wait for it. 500.
There's not enough room to
I
write
sure hope we're
this.
going to get 562.
¿Cómo se vuelve eso?
Yeah.
On test, we have to write this all down.
So on our test, I'm going to get you to show your answer with the calculator and then show me the work. 1 mark will be for the calculator answer. The nice thing about having the calculator is you'll know what it's supposed to be. And if you're not getting that, it means you're making a mistake somewhere. Okay?
If we do it, like, if we do the steps correctly, right, or we get the answer wrong, will we get half a mark or no?
Yeah. You'll get partial.
But just think about
part
it.
of your steps are right.
If you get a mark for calculator work,
That's pretty generous.
then you know that your answer is right or wrong.
Yeah, I
So
know.
if it's wrong, you're gonna do things to probably want to fix
Will
it.
everything be used with the calculator?
And
Yes.
no matter what, you're getting half,
Yeah.
pretty much, unless it's out of 3, but you're only getting.
What, like, I'm saying, like, what if you did that?
Answer.
Wait, what if you did the same
Se
answer,
le
right?
olvidó
But you
en
do
poner
it
que es
wrong.
negativo
Well, you would,
el
yeah, like you can
62.
get the same.
Room for
Well, your
negativo
calculator could be
es
right, but then
positivo.
your second part could be wrong, 50%.
Like, we write all the steps, we do one wrong, and we still.
I would assume, right, JR?
What's that?
If you get your calculator right and you do all the steps wrong, 50%.
Yeah, you get 1 out of 2.
You can wait.
Please? I didn't have a chance to for like the last like 15 minutes.
That's because you just got here 15 minutes ago. What about the whole 25 minutes you showed up late? You could have gone during that time.
But that was because I was walking here. I was outside.
Uh-oh. Amber alert. Lockdown. I would have let you go.
Somebody in our school.
Now it's dangerous.
He's keeping you safe.
Holy.
Oh, yeah.
Amber alert says
It's a test.
tornado.
Is it
No.
tornado?
It's a test. I have to give you guys a test. They just don't. They're just testing to see if it works, right? And now I can find out who took out their phones. I can confiscate them. You're not supposed to have your phones out at all, ever.
I was checking something.
Whoa.
I thought
But if you put them away nicely now, I'll.
JR is on fire. He is cooking. Let him cook, people. Let him cook.
Okay, seriously, can you wait 25 minutes?
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you get 408?
Why are we continuing with class? There's an app brother.
Because it was just a test. Right?
To see who has their phones out.
But I can check right before the bell if the principal wants me to keep you here for a couple more hours.
How many? I wonder how many.
Have you ever been in one of those lockdowns that didn't, like there was one that started at 3 o'clock and then it didn't end till like 4? You had to stay after
One
school?
time our school got on fire and we had to walk in -45 to Apple.
Oh no.
Oh,
Did you get 408? Did I pause the video?
Holly saw
I don't
it.
think
She
I did.
Yeah.
All right, let's get back on track.
There we go.
Yeah.
Interesting thing about this one.
Oh my God, so it's like smoking.
Do we have brackets? This is a weird one. Because it feels like you see no brackets, because you don't. But when you have a big fraction like this, okay, let's do our exponents, because I see exponents first, I don't see brackets. 8 to the 4 is big. We're going to do that on our calculator.
Oh, freaking this.
That's 4,096. 2 to the 4 is 16. On the bottom, 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. So I did all my exponents first. Now this is the interesting thing about a big dividing sign like this. They kind of imagine you have to do the top and the bottom first, like there's brackets. So 4,096
From the 8.
8 to the 4. That's going to be 4,080. And on the bottom, 16 minus 9 is 7. plus 3 is 10.
What?
Do you know the mental math trick for dividing by 10?
10.
You take a number and divide it by 10, you just move the decimal place 1 over. It'll be 408.
That's exactly what I did. That's what the alpha
Are you giving us a worksheet now?
Soon. We have to get to slide number,
All that?
64.
And
Should we go a little faster?
Is there a point of giving us a worksheet? Because we're gonna have like 10 minutes to work on it.
Type this into your calculator.
What?
This one right here. Type this into your calculator. Tell me what the answer should be.
Yeah.
It should be like
40.
It should be 40.
Oh yeah, 40.
What did the person do wrong in their first step?
They added like
They multiplied before the exponent. What should they have done? They should have done the exponent first. And then they would get 40. Type that one into your calculator. What do you get?
Which one? D?
Yeah.
Daniel.
576.
Should be 576. What did they do? They did their exponents wrong, right? 3 squared is 9. 4 cubed is 64. You see they just did, I think they did 4 times 3 and 3 times 2. What's the next one supposed to be? Type the next one into your calculator.
126.
126. Do you see where they made their mistake? Is 5 cubed 125?
No. What is it?
Yeah, it is.
Hi, could I please have Chloe to the office?
Okay.
Thank you.
Is 8 to the 0 8?
1.
It's 1. So this is the mistake. It should have been 1 plus 125. And that makes 126. Type the next one into your calculator. It is not 275. What should it be?
Wait, is this on the other page?
Yeah, I didn't turn the page.
Ansel, la pregunta, ¿cuánto le falta para que se acabe la clase?
20 minutos.
¿Qué?
20 minutos.
Negative 373.
Negative 373.
No, what's funny on that is I didn't finish the bracket and I put the brackets around the exponent on that.
Oh.
Still doing the same answer.
Yeah. Sometimes on the calculator, if you forget one bracket, it automatically adds it for you. So, what should you have done? Exponents first. This would be 27 minus 16, and this would be 25. Then we would multiply. 16 times 25. Anybody know the math trick for timesing by 25? Have I told you that one? Think of quarters. If you had 16
yeah,
quarters, how much money would you have?
$1.05. I don't know.
Well, every 4 quarters is $1. You have 16 of them. You'd have $4, which makes 400 cents. And the last one.
Negative 6,831.
Negative 6,831. Is this one right?
I don't know.
But you got the same answer?
What did I do wrong?
Right is exactly what you said.
Was that supposed to be a negative instead of a minus?
That should be a minus.
Was it?
It should be 10584.
Wait, what did I do wrong?
Let's look. They need to do brackets first. Do I have stuff in the brackets to do? I do. This should have been first 81 minus 32, and this still is, well, this is brackets too, so this would be 216.
I forgot to put a
And
bracket.
81 minus 32 is 49.
I forgot to put a bracket.
And then that works out to the right answer of 10,000.
So you violent?
Yes, I did. 584.
I still can't get it out of me. I think it's variable.
Here is a new question for you. This one says evaluate. The word evaluate means come up with an answer that's a number. And they say evaluate if x is minus 2 and y is 3. So the way that we do these is wherever we have an x, we replace it with the number in brackets. So I had an x squared, and x is minus 2, I'd write minus 2 squared. Minus 3, I have an x, so I put brackets and a minus 2. My pen looks like it's out of ink right now.
I think you're missing this note package.
What do you think? What do you think? Will it appear for me?
No.
There it is. And then the y, I put brackets and replace it with a 3. So, do you see that there used to be an x here and an x here in the original question? And I replaced those with minus 2. And there used to be a y here. And the computer is frozen. Yes, question.
Why is it -2 on the second? 3, and then brackets -2.
Okay, well, as soon as my pen appears, there they are. So where the x was originally, it says replace the x with a minus 2. So here there was an x originally, I replaced it with a minus 2. I kept the little square. Here there was an x originally, I replaced it with a minus 2. Here there was a y originally, I replaced it with a 3. Now we do our order of operations. Our brackets are just holding them.
So we would just replace the x's and the y's with the numbers on the top.
Yeah.
And we would do it normally after
And then we do it normally after that. Type that whole thing into your calculator. What do you get?
Wait, would you be able to type it in if you were to use like letters instead?
No, you need to have. Well, yes, with that calculator I can figure out a way to do it, but no, for the most part, it's not worth it.
Hacerte una pregunta.
I'm able to on this
She's the
one.
one who told people.
Si no me equivoco, la respuesta es 8.
Okay, the answer is going to
Depends on
be
what.
Wait.
Yeah. Because after a game, bro, I'm done.
no.
Take your guess.
Okay.
Is it 30?
Yeah, I had like 2. I had like 70.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. So order of operations. We have an exponent. -2, -2. That would be
But it wasn't
Positive
even my fault that I
4.
lost. Okay. Wait, what did I say?
I've not been.
now I've done exponents. I have multiplying. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 3 times minus 2 times 3 is
Along with my family.
positive 18. And then I still have the plus 4. Add those all together, you get 30. We're almost at the point where I give you your homework. I know you've been patient.
Wait, I didn't write that all down.
Okay. I'll let you write it down. So evaluate means come up with a number. We replace each of the x's. Can you do step 1 of part B on your own? Can you do step 1 of part B on your own?
Step 1 of part B on
Or second page. Like, yeah, I don't have a calculator. Not that. Wait, do you automatically put it in brackets?
Automatically put in brackets when you substitute it in.
Come on, Holly. Let's do this. Where is it? This one. This one.
No way.
Hey, can you try?
Yeah, this is Holly. Let's.
Once you've done it on your own, take a look to see if you did it correct.
Try it first. Don't forget. First try.
I can't even do this. It's like this is why I'm here.
So you need to lock in.
This is
Wait,
Lock in.
Oh, I messed up X and Y. Can I have an eraser, please?
Now,
Mr. JR.
which one?
Yeah.
Take the other answer.
So,
No, not
And
yet.
I have to take it till the end.
When you get it, you
For you to get a watch.
there's gonna be an issue here, I believe,
I don't think I'm doing it.
because what should have happened, this is where we need,
And then has anyone typed this into their calculator all at once yet?
it should be that X is -2.
I'm about to. So wait.
Mr. JR,
Yeah.
for that first one, A, you would have to have that -2 that you replaced. Yes, outside of the, okay. And that changes things because now it's, actually, it's still gonna be positive. Yeah, the rest looks okay.
Wait, what did you do today at school?
Type this all into your
And what
calculator.
did you say?
And
Don't
we should
give us
get
the answer.
negative 114.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
I'm all out.
I
Sorry,
don't.
man. I gotta
Wait.
get some more.
Mr. JR, what did I do wrong? Yep, get it all wrong.
Oh, it's the very beginning. You use the minus sign instead of a subtract sign. I'll show you a trick. It's really cool on this calculator.
So you did that.
Did you just delete it all? Where did it go?
I don't know. I think I just run button.
Oh.
Wait, instead, what did you press?
Well, now it's gone. I was gonna. You can just like if you want to retype something, you can go up and push enter and it retypes.
Oh, really?
It's really cool.
Oh, perfect.
But you erased it already.
10. Did you get -10 for the first one?
The first one is 30.
You didn't get it. Okay, so now let me
I'm gonna do this one. Negative. This exponent would be 16. This exponent is 9 plus 2, 4, 3 minus -2 and 3.
So the first thing I'm saying is yes.
Now we have multiplication. This one will be negative 144 plus 24 plus 6. Oh, sorry, minus. Reduce. Negative 2 times -3. Negative 6. And then
Wait, what did
you can add these together.
Wait.
And we get negative 114.
Wow.
This would be like adding.
Yeah, adding
Like 30, negative 144 plus 30.
You just type it in from this. When you're doing that, so you don't have a calculator, right? You just go from left to right.
Yeah. You can go from left to right. And subtracting a negative is adding.
Answer, tengo una pregunta. ¿Por qué el 2 negativo y el 3 se
Menos 2 por 3. 2 por 3 es 6. Y negativo por positivo es negativo.
The answer should be 30. Hey, we got
30, yeah, 30 for the first one.
What did I say?
Can you go back?
I can go back.
Oh, 4.
Maybe.
Wait, is that a
There it
negative?
is.
Yeah. And then y is.
Oh, I just
Mr.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a this quiz?
Do I have a?
This
I got 28.
This isn't on the quiz. For the last?
Yeah.
For the
A.
30?
For A. Because she was trying A on her
Okay.
own. So where does yours change from mine?
Is actually right.
Oh,
Wait,
because
Mr.
you
JR,
wrote,
did I type this incorrect for
that's
C?
why. I wrote
Did you use the
plus
fraction button?
It's
Yeah,
two
looks
times
like you
4.
did.
There's my only mistake.
Thank you. It looks good, and then the bottom,
When I put negative 3 there.
and then you have to do subtract,
Now, how does that
Subtract?
do? Well, 2 times 4.
because there's subtract y squared,
Subtract.
and then 3.
Yeah, but you'll see
And 3.
that it's squared.
Is that a 3? That's a 2.
432 over
If I
7.
can do more steps, like if I want to do like more steps,
This
it'd be
is
good or not.
still
Yeah, if you can want to do more steps, it's okay. All right, let's look at this last one.
Yeah, please add more already.
Wow.
Wherever there's an x, put brackets. Wherever there's a y.
Plus 6 times 3.
This is so weird that the pen is like out of ink, eh?
Plus
There it is.
negative times
It's like definitely a delay today.
Not time. Yeah.
And what did you get when you typed it in?
multiply.
432 over 7.
432 over 7.
Yeah.
Okay,
Plus 6
so let's check it out if it works.
plus 4.
Do we have exponents? Yes, we do. This will be 2,
6.
and this will be negative 8. Minus 3 and 3.
Okay?
This will be 16 minus 9.
Sure.
Go ahead.
On the top, we have multiplication. And on the top, if I do 2 times negative 8, I get negative 16. I think something maybe went crazy with your answer there. I'm not sure that 432 over 7.
Did I type it in right?
Well, we'll find out. But I'm doing the order of operations. Negative 16 minus 27 over 16 minus 9. Now if I subtract the tops, negative 16 minus 27 is negative 43. And if I subtract the bottoms, I get 7. So something, whoa, that was a big eraser. Should have been a calculator negative 43 over 7.
Wait, can you give us?
Let's see your calculator. Unless we could have made a mistake somewhere. Oh yes, see there was a minus sign and you put it. So this is how we can retype it like this.
Where did I do that? I didn't even.
There's subtraction. There it is. Negative 43 is 7. We did lots of notes today, guys. We got, what do we got? One more example to do?
Yeah.
With fractions. So again, first step is wherever there's an x, what are we replacing it with? Brackets and a half. That gets squared. Minus 4. Brackets and a half. Plus 2, and whatever the y is, minus 1. Brackets squared. It's really
Terrible. 43 Whoa.
yeah. Order of operations. Do we have an exponents? Yes, we do. This will be 1/4 minus 4 times 1/2 plus 2, and that squared will be positive 1.
You're just trying to do it all by yourself.
And then, I guess I should have gotten you to type this into your calculator completely to begin with. But now we can multiply. You can do this on your calculator. That'll be 3/4. This will be minus 2, and this will be plus 2. And the final answer is 3/4. I will leave B for you to do on your own. And this is where we'll end our video.